Hey man, I'm Matt. How's it going? Okay. So, I'm wanting to propose to my girlfriend, and I think it would be cool to have some music in the background. Do you do that kind of thing? Yeah, because that's normal. It says here it's only $50. Is that by the hour? Assuming that's a yes. Oh, theme music. So is that like romantic music? You're not gonna answer me, are you? So how does this work? Like, do I just pick you up here? All right, dude. I'm gonna pick you up here tomorrow at 5:30. Okay? You'll show up, won't you? Dude, what are you doing? No. You are not coming home with me.
It says right here in my client's contract, didn't you read it? It says right here in Article 7, Section C, in 5.5 font. What are you so confused about? I'm sure my client explained everything.
Who the hell are you?
Who are you?
Well, I guess you're staying here tonight, but that doesn't mean you have to play the whole time, all right? Or not. No. I mean, I like listening to music in the shower as much as the next guy, but this is taking it a bit too far, alright? Just hang out in the living room, just help yourself to the fridge, or just stand right there, like a creeper. Whatever. I'll be on in a minute. When a man loves a woman, can't keep it. Dude, what the hell are you doing? I told you to wait outside. Do you not see how weird this is? I don't even know you. Alright, she's here. You better be worth all the trouble.
What are you up to?
What, can I surprise my girlfriend here in the park?
I'm not complaining. It's just a little out of the ordinary.
You're right. I really did all this because there's something that I want to ask you. Dude, don't stop playing now. This is why I hired you. We've been together 3 amazing weeks. I'm sorry. Just Hold on, just 1 second, okay? Seriously? You've been playing non-stop and you decide now is when you're gonna stop playing? Dude, this means the world to me. I can't believe you're still not playing. I mean, hell, you've been playing for the past 20 some odd hours. I can't believe I trusted some random guy off of the street with this. If you're not gonna play, then why are you still here?
You paid for music for one.
Get out of here! Go away! I don't want you behind me while I do this. And where do you even come from? I'm so sorry.
What was that about?
It doesn't matter. He doesn't matter. Just... Ugh. Where was I? Right. Okay. We've had an amazing 3 weeks. And I love you. And I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Are you proposing?
I'm trying to. Will you marry me?
No.
But
I'm sorry, but I don't love you.